CBSE 10 Chapter Triangle Exercise 6.3. First question is, state which pairs of triangles in the following figure are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the questions and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. First question, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which we can see angle A and angle P are same, that is 60 degree. Angle B and angle Q are same, that is 80 degree, and angle C and angle R are 40 degree. It means all three angles of the both triangles are same. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR by AAA test. Please find the solution. Question 2. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. AB is 2 and QR is 4. So you can write 2 upon 4. Then AC is 3 and PQ is 6. So you can write 3 upon 6, and BC is 2.5 and PR is 5. So you can write 2.5 upon 5. Now relation in between them, that is they are equal because all ratios are come to the simplest form as 1 upon 2. Therefore we can say that all ratios are equal. Therefore by AS test, these two triangles are similar triangles. So triangle ABC is similar with triangle QRP by AS test. Question 3. Triangle ALMP and triangle DEF. So 2 and 4. 2 to the 4. Then 3 and 6. 3 to the 6. 2.7 and 5. So in this case ratios are not same. Therefore the given triangles are not similar triangles. Question 4. Triangle LMN and triangle PQR. 5 to the 10, 70 degree, 70 degree. But 2.5 and 6 are not in the same proportion. Therefore, given triangles are not similar triangles. Question 5. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. So this angle and this angle positions are different. This angle is beside of 2.5 and this angle in between 5 and 6. Therefore, these two triangles are also not the similar triangles. Question 6. Triangle DEF and triangle PQR. Angle D 70, angle E 80. Then angle F will be using angle sum property 100 minus 80 minus 70. So angle F will come 30 degree. In triangle PQR, angle Q is 80, angle R is 30. So using angle sum property 180 minus 80 minus 30. So angle P will come 70 degree. So if you can observe, all angles of the both triangles are same. Therefore using AAA criteria, these two triangles are similar. Please find the solution. Question 2. In the following figure, triangle ODC is similar with triangle OBA. Angle BOC is 125 degree, angle CDO is 70 degree. Then we have to find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OAB. So come to the solution. Angle DOB is a straight line. Therefore angle DOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Here it will come linear pair. You have to write the full form. Then angle DOC is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree, which is equal to 55 degree. In triangle DOC you can apply angle sum property. So angle DCO plus angle CDO plus angle DOC is equal to 180 degree using angle sum property. Then angle DCO plus 70 degree plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then you will get angle DCO is equal to 180 degree minus 55 degree minus 70 degree. So angle DCO is coming 55 degree. Okay. Now it is given that triangle ODC is similar with triangle OB. So you can write angle OAB is equal to angle OCD because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Therefore you can write angle OAB is equal to 55 degree. So this is your final answer. Question 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that AO upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Now come to the diagram. In the diagram, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. So you can say that angle A and angle C are alternate opposite angles as well as angle B and angle D are also alternate opposite angles, and this angle O and this angle O are vertically opposite angles. It means by A1 test these two triangles are similar triangles. So let's come to the solution. In triangle DOC and triangle BOA, angle CDO is equal to angle ABO and angle DCO is equal to angle BAO. Both are using alternate interior angles, and angle DOC is equal to angle BOA using vertically opposite angles. Therefore, we can say that triangle DOC is similar to triangle BOA using AAA similarity criteria. Then you can write DO upon BO is equal to OC upon OA using corresponding sides are proportional. Then using the adjustment, that is transposition, you can write OA upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. That is your required proof. Question 4. In the following figure, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. We have to show that triangle PQS is similar with triangle TQR. So let's see the solution. So please check the diagram. It is given that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It means angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Now in triangle PQR, these two triangles base angles are equal. It means sides opposite to the equal angles are also equal. Therefore you can write PQ is equal to PR. That is equation 1. Now it is given that QR upon QS is equal to QT upon PR. Using 1, we can write QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP. That is equation 2. Now in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, QR upon QS is equal to QT upon QP from 2, and angle Q is equal to angle Q, that is common angle. Therefore triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR using SAS similarity criteria. So this is your proof. Question 5. S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Please see this diagram. So this is triangle PQR and S and T are on sides PR and QR. Okay. Now also it is given that angle P is equal to angle T and angle R is common angle for the both triangles. Therefore using AA test you can say that triangle RPQ is similar with triangle RTS. So please check the solution. In triangle RPQ and triangle RST, angle RTS is equal to angle QPS, it is given, and angle R is equal to angle R, common angle. Therefore by AA test both triangles are similar triangles. Question 6. In the following figure, if triangle ABE is congruent with triangle ACD, so ABE is this triangle, it's congruent with triangle ACD. Okay, then we have to show that triangle ADE, it means this triangle, is similar with the main triangle ABC. So let's find the solution. So it is given that triangle ABE is congruent with triangle ACD. So using CPCT you can write side AB is equal to side AC and side AD is equal to side AE. That is equation 1 upon 2. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, you can write AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. That is by dividing equation 2 by 1. Okay. And also angle A is equal to angle A, which is common angle. Therefore you can write triangle ADE is similar with triangle ABC by SAS criteria. Okay. Question 7. In the following figure, altitudes AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Then we have to show that first triangle AEP similar with triangle CDP, triangle ABD similar with triangle CBE, triangle AEP similar with triangle ADB, and fourth triangle PDC similar with triangle BEC. So let's see the solution. Check this diagram. In triangle AEP and triangle CDP, angle AEP is equal to angle CDP because both are 90 degree, and angle APE is equal to angle CPD, vertically opposite angles. Therefore by AA test these two triangles are similar triangles. Then second, In triangle ABD and CBE, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, both are 90 degree. Angle ABD and angle CBE are common angles. Therefore, two triangles are similar triangles using AA test of similarity. Third, in triangle AEP and triangle ADB, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, each 90 degree. Angle PAE is equal to angle DAB, common angles. Therefore, two triangles are similar using AA test of similarity. Fourth part, in triangle PDC and triangle BEC, please check the diagram. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC, both are 90 degree because of altitudes, and angle PCD is equal to angle BCE, is common angle. Therefore, two triangles are similar using AA test of similarity. Question 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. It means ABCD is a parallelogram and B intersects CD at F. Then you have to show that triangle ABE is similar with triangle CFB. So please see the solution. In triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angles of parallelogram. Angle AEB and angle CPF, okay, these two are alternate opposite angles because AE is parallel with BC, okay, sides of parallelogram. Therefore, by AA similarity test, you can say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Question 9. In the following figure, triangle ABC and triangle AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M respectively. Then prove that triangle ABC is similar with triangle AMP and CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. तो जब आप triangle ABC similar triangle AMP prove करोगे, then only you can prove the second part. So please find the solution. In triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle ABC equal to angle AMP 90 degree and angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar with triangle AMP using AA similarity test, and then corresponding sides are in same proportion, so you can write CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Question 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar with triangle FEG, then show that first CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG, second triangle DCB and triangle HGE are similar, and third triangle DCA is similar with triangle HGF. So यहाँ पे आपको गिवन में दिया है CD and GH are angle bisectors and triangle ABC and triangle FEG are similar. Then we have to prove that CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Then triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE and triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So let's find the solution. So it is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Okay, therefore all angles are same. Angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. Now angle ACB and angle FGE are equal. So if I consider angle bisector, that is CD and GH, then I will get half of ACB and half of FGE. So half of ACB is ACD or DCB and half of FGE is FGH or HGE. Therefore, I can say that half of angle ACB is equal to half of angle FGE, which is angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. And also you can say that angle DCB is equal to angle HGE because of angle bisector. So we will use it. Now consider triangle ACD and triangle FGH. Angle A is equal to angle F. Angle ACD is equal to angle FGH, just we have proved. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar with triangle FGH by AA test of similarity. Then you can write CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG using sides of the similar triangles are in the same proportion. Then in triangle DCB and triangle HGE, angle DCB is equal to angle HGE using angle bisector, and angle B is equal to angle E, that is because of two triangles are similar. Therefore triangle DCB is similar with triangle HGE using AS similarity test. Then in triangle DCA and triangle HGF, angle ACD is equal to angle FGH and angle A is equal to angle F. Therefore triangle DCA is similar with triangle HGF by a test of similarity. So this is the final proof. Question 11. In the following figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, then prove that triangle ABD is similar with triangle ECF. So ABD means this triangle and ECF means this triangle. Okay. Now please see in the figure, this angle and this angle are 90 degree. And also in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. Therefore angle B is equal to angle C. Triangle ABC is isosceles, therefore base angles are equal. Now in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, one is 90 degree and angle B is equal to angle C because of isosceles triangle. Therefore using AA test, these two triangles are similar. Now please see the solution. It is given that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, therefore AB is equal to AC, and therefore we can write angle ABD is equal to angle ECF because of base angles are equal. Then in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, angle ADB is equal to angle EFC, each 90 degree. Angle BAD is equal to angle CEF, that is from 1, and triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF because AA test of similarity. Question 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Then show that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. So in the diagram, D and M are midpoints, AD and PM are medians, and triangle and sides AB is proportion with PQ, BD is proportion with QM, and AD is in proportion with PM. Okay, so let's go ahead. We know that median divides the opposite sides. Therefore we can write BD is equal to BC upon 2 and QM is equal to QR upon 2. This is equation 1. In the diagram they have given that it is N, but it is wrong. You have to write it R. Okay, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Let's move ahead. Also it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. That is, respective sides and medians are in the same proportion. Now you can replace BD and QF in case of BS upon QR. So let's go ahead. So we can write in the next step, AB upon PQ is half of BC upon half of QR is equal to AD upon PM, and then from 1 we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. This is equation 2. Now in equation 2, we got AD upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. So we can say that triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQM because of SSS test of similarity. Therefore angle ABD is equal to angle PQM because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Now consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. It means main triangles. So angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Give this equation 3 and then you can write from 3, and it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Sides are in the same proportion, so this is given. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR using SAS similarity test. Question 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So it is given part. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. So get this solution. First we need to prove two triangles are similar, then we will take proportional sides and then we can put the required proof. So come to the solution. In triangle ADC and triangle BAC, angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. It is given, and also angle ACD and angle BCA are common angles. Therefore, using AA test of similarity, we can write that triangle ADC is similar with triangle BAC. Now since triangles are similar, we can take corresponding sides in the same proportion. Therefore, we can write CA upon CB is equal to CD upon CA. Then using cross multiplication, we can write CA square is equal to CB into CD. That is required proof. Question 14. Sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. So let's go to the solution. On the right hand side, you have to see the diagram, and on the left hand side, you have to find the solution. It is given that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. Now let us do some construction, that is extend AD and PM up to the point E and L such that AD is equal to DE and PM is equal to ML. Okay, then you have to join B to E, C to E, that is BE, CE and QL and RL. Okay, let's go ahead. We know that medians divides opposite sides in equal parts, that is BD equal to DC and QM equal to MR. Okay, also AD is equal to DE by construction and PM is equal to AM by construction. So focus on BD is equal to DC and AD is equal to DE. So in quadrilateral ABEC, diagonal AE and BC bisect each other at point D. Therefore we can say that ABEC is a parallelogram. Therefore AC is equal to BE, opposite sides are equal, and AB is equal to EC, opposite sides of parallelograms are equal. Similarly, we can prove that quadrilateral PQLR is also a parallelogram and PR is equal to QL and PQ is equal to LR. Okay, so consider this is equation 2. Now it was given that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. Now you can write AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QL because AC is equal to BE and PR is equal to QL. Okay, therefore AC upon PR के जगह पे you can write BE upon QL, and also AD upon PM, AD and PM are half of AE and PL. Therefore you can write AB upon PQ is equal to BE upon QL is equal to 2AD upon 2PM, so that we can get AB upon PQ is equal to BE upon QL is equal to AE upon PL. Okay, so this is your equation 3. Now triangle ABE is similar with triangle PQL because all sides are in the same proportion. Therefore by SSS test ABE and triangle PQL are similar. Now we know that corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Therefore we can write angle BAE is equal to angle QPL. Okay, so this is equation 4. Okay, then similarly it can be proved that triangle AEC and triangle PLR, it means triangles on the right side, are also equal by SSS test. Therefore in this case we can write angle CAE and angle RPL are also similar. Okay, so this is next equation, that is in this case it is 2, but we can assume as equation 4. Okay, so after adding these equations I will get angle BAE plus angle CAE is equal to angle QPL plus angle RPL, that is angle CAB plus angle that is angle CAB is equal to angle RPQ. This is equation 3. Now consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, and from this equation you can say that angle CAB is equal to angle RPQ. Therefore, from SAS test, two triangles are similar, that is triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Question 15. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. So find the height of the tower. So in such types of question we have to consider vertical pole, tower are 90 degree to the ground. Okay, diagram is on left side and solution will be on the right side. Please focus. Let AB and CD be a tower and a pole respectively. Okay, please see in the diagram. Let the shadow of BE and DF be the shadow of AB and CD respectively. At the same time, this is important statement, at the same time the light rays from the sun will fall on the tower and the pole at the same angle. Okay, so same angle means what? So check the diagram. In the diagram, DCF and angle BAE are equal, as well as angle DFC and angle BEA are equal. Also, pole and tower both are vertical to the ground. It means they are forming right angle triangle. Therefore, you can say that angle CDF and angle ABE are equal. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDF using AAA test of similarity. Therefore, sides are in the same proportion. So, you can write AB is equal to CD is equal to BE upon DF. Then sides are given, AB upon 6 is equal to 28 upon 4. So 28 upon 4 is equal to 7. So AB upon 6 is equal to 7. Then using cross multiplication you will get AB is equal to 42 meter. Therefore you can write, therefore the height of the tower will be 42 meters. Question 16. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR, then prove that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. So diagram will be on the left side and solution will be on the right side. So it is given that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. Therefore we can write AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QR. That is equation 1, because corresponding sides of the similar triangles are in the same proportion. Also we can equate the angles because triangles are similar. So angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. This is equation 2. Now let's go ahead. Since AD and PM are medians, they will divide their opposite sides in equal parts. It means BD equal to CD and QM equal to MR. Okay, so let's consider BD is equal to BC upon 2 and QM is equal to QR upon 2. That is equation 3. So let's go ahead. From equation 1 and 3 we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. That is equation 4. They have considered AB upon PQ and BC upon QR. Instead of BC upon QR we can write BD upon QM. Therefore we got equation 4 as AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM. So consider this equation 4. Then in triangle ABD and triangle PQM, angle B is equal to angle Q, and also AB upon PQ is BD upon QM from equation 4. Therefore we can say that triangle ABD is similar with triangle PQM using SAA similarity test. Okay, and then we can write AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. Sides of the similar triangles are in the same proportion. So from this you can write AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM, which is required proof. AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. Okay. So this is end of the exercise 6.3. Thank you.